In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this tablet. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Clean on the left next to Browse. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my junk files were successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!